Hey, welcome to lesson number 5. We have our first 3 screens, the intro screen, the login and sign up screens. And on the last lesson, we designed our navigation bar and our toolbar, which will be in every screen of the app. So now it's time to design our dashboard screen, which is the main screen, the screen that will have our friends post, the screen that is going to be when we sign up or log in. This is the first screen that we are going to see of the app. It's basically the feed screen. So if we take a look at our wireframe, we can see that the dashboard is very simple. We will have our toolbar, in this case our navigation bar, and the profile pic of our friend, his name or her name, probably should have when it was posted, and of course the post. Could be an animation, a video or GIF or picture or anything we want. So let's jump to Photoshop and let's start by creating a circle with the ellipse tool here, and this circle we will make it 900 pixels. All right. Let's leave it like this. Doesn't matter the color because we're going to place a profile pic in here. So I have these avatar images that, of course, I'm going to share with you. Just place it here and look what we're going to do. Let's zoom in a little. Place the avatar here and select our ellipse tool, our ellipse layer, and with Control, click on here, and you will have the selection here. Now select our image and click this button right here, the Add Layer Mask button. Click here, and you can see now that the image is with the mask, with the shape of the ellipse that we created before. So now we can remove this ellipse. Remove this link, and you can play with the size of the image so that it fits better. Just make sure that it stays on the circle. Working with mask is amazing. Now you can click here to make the link appear again, so that if you move the image, it will move with the mask. Now we have our profile, and now it's time to input our friend's name. Just grab the type tool and click over here, and let's name him John Smith. Let's make this type, let's make it almost black, like a very dark gray, like this. And now we have our friend's picture and our friend's name. Now let's see what our friend posted. To do this, let's zoom out a little and grab the rectangle tool and create a rectangle which will be 500 pixels. All right. Now I have this nice image right here, a dog image, and this great image also. Now we're going to select a rectangle. We're going to take this image and let's throw it in there. Let's scale it down a lot. Now zoom in again. And just as we did with the John Smith profile pic, we're going to select our rectangle with Control. Make sure that it has this selection here, and on the image layer we're going to click on the Add Layer Mask button right here. Now you can remove this rectangle, and we have our friend's post. And we have a nice post from our friend, which is a post from his friends. So, of course, it's very important that we say when it was posted. So, duplicate this type layer, the John Smith layer, and let's write here a few seconds ago. Of course, this should be much smaller, like 40 points maybe. Align this here, and it also could be lighter. Select a lighter gray. Excellent. And now we know that this post was posted by John Smith a few seconds ago, and here is our friend John Smith profile pic. So, one thing that is missing in this post is how many likes and how many comments it has. So let's design that part. For this, grab a rectangle and create a rectangle from left to right, and this rectangle should be 50 pixels height. Let's make it a very light gray, even lighter. Perfect. And I have two icons here, the comments icon and the likes icon. So let's copy them and place them here above this new rectangle that we just created. Now you can duplicate this text from a few seconds ago, and we can use it to set a number, like for example, how many comments. We can set it to 2 comments, which is a reasonable amount considering that it was posted just a few seconds ago. We can set this to 18 points and make it black. And the likes, we could go all the way up and set it to 27 likes. So now we can see how John Smith posted a few seconds ago a pic from their friends, and it already has 2 comments and 27 likes. So that's it for this post. So let's order everything here because we made a lot of layers and we could get confused here. Select the John Smith, his profile pic a few seconds ago, and let's turn this into profile friend, and all the other layers we can group them and call it post. Now let's group these both and let's name this complete post. You can see that everything is on a group now. So let's take this complete post and place it all the way up. And now we should make another complete post. Just duplicate this post with Ctrl and J and place it all the way here. And now it's time to just change our friend's image and our friend's post. So instead of John Smith, we're going to be using this girl right here. and you just have to scale it down a little. And control click the same mask and add a layer mask in here. So instead of John Smith, we can call her Jane Williams. And we could say that it was posted 15 minutes ago. Of course, we have to change our post. Select the rectangle here and grab this cute puppy here and throw it on our dashboard screen. Scale it down. Now repeat the same process. Control click on the mask and duplicate the mask on this layer. Remove the link. Place the image to suit your preference. Could be like this, and always remember to place the link here. So this one could have like 10 comments, and this can have, I don't know, 78 likes. And you can see that we now have a nice dashboard. We have our friends post. Of course, the idea here is that you can scroll and scroll and scroll and see many of the posts that your friends are posting, exactly like it is on Instagram. And you can see how many comments and likes they got, who posted and when they posted it. And of course, we have our perfect toolbar. So we have everything we need for our dashboard. It's a very nice dashboard. It's a simple dashboard, which is missing just a little bit of color. So if we want to make this looks like the app look and feel, we have to make this, of course, our yellow color or orange color from before. So change this color and this color to our yellow, and now our dashboard looks more appropriate for the app. So we got ourselves a nice dashboard. So it's time to create our profile screen. So see you on the next lesson.